Hey guys, welcome to this video, and it's time to test Samsung Galaxy A8 and A8 Plus for USB OTG support. Now if you have been following my channel, you know that I love USB OTG and I test all the phones that I review for this USB OTG support. And that's because I use USB OTG a lot. I use it on daily basis to transfer files, transfer data and stuff. It's a foolproof method to transfer your files if all else fails. And that is why if I have to use a smartphone, it's very important that that phone does support USB OTG. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and test these phones for USB OTG support. Now I'm pretty sure that both of these phones support this feature, but still we have to test it and be sure about it. So let's go ahead and connect this USB and wait for it. And there we go. We have the USB icon at the top. That means that it does support USB OTG. If we tap it, it will take me to my files, and there we go. A8 Plus does support USB OTG, and that also means that A8 also supports USB OTG, but still we will be testing it and be sure of it. And now we wait for this one, and we have confirmation that this one also supports USB OTG feature, and that's great. From Samsung, they have been adding this feature to their phones for a while now, and I'm really happy with it. So that's about it from this video, guys. If you have any other questions about these phones, you can let me know in the comments, or you can catch me up on Twitter as well. The links will be in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.